Supriya Lifescience Ltd, an active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturer. The company was established in the year 1987 and later got incorporated in 2008. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2021. They are based in Mumbai with more than 360 employees and 30 workers. They have two manufacturing plants located in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, with a capacity of 597 kiloliters per day. Company is planning to reach 900 kiloliters per day by Q1 of 2025. Company has one research and development center in Lord Parshuram, and one more is under construction in Ambernath, which is expected to be completed by Q1 of 2025. They also acquired land near existing manufacturing units for future expansion. The market cap of the company is 3,296 crore rupees, and currently trading at 410 rupees per share. The company has a 14% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 7% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free. Company offer 38 active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, for segments like Anesthetic, Anti-histamine, vitamins, Anti-Asthmatic, Anti-allergic, and Anti-malarial. About 49% of the revenue is generated from Anesthetic, 15% from Anti-histamine, 14% from vitamins, 7% from Anti-Asthmatic, 5% from Anti-allergic, 2% from Anti-malarial, and 8% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company dropped last year. This is due to increase in expenditure. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Syntec do Brazil, Acme Generics, Zoom Pharma, American International Chemical, Acum Drugs, LNK International, Mankind Pharma, and more. Top 10 clients contribute to about 45% of the total revenue, indicating high client concentration. Company has clientele from many countries. About 42% of the revenue is generated from Asian countries, 42% from Europe, 8% from Latin America and the Caribbean, 5% from North America, and 3% from others. Coming to some key highlights. Company is largest exporter of chlorpheniramine maleate and ketamine hydrochloride. In 2023, company signed an exclusive licensing agreement with Plasma Nutrition, US on protein technology. 15 products are backward integrated, which generates about 72% of the revenue. Company has filed 3 patents in India. They serve 1,500 clients across the globe and have more than 340 distributors. They export to more than 86 countries, with a revenue concentration of 80% from exports and 20% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.